If you're frustrated with Fortnite's error codes and constant bans, there's a good chance you've been hit with the hardware ID ban. What this means is that Fortnite's anti-cheat system has flagged your device's unique hardware identifier, blocking you from accessing the game from that particular computer. Whether it's your main gaming rig or a secondary one, being hardware ID banned can feel like a huge roadblock to enjoying the game that you love. But don't worry, because there's a solution. You can easily bypass the hardware ID ban and get back into Fortnite and other games with a simple tool, a hardware ID spoofer. Now you may be asking what a hardware ID spoofer actually is. A hardware ID spoofer is a piece of software designed to help you change your computer's unique hardware identifiers, like the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and other components. By altering these IDs, the game's anti-cheat system gets fooled into thinking you're playing on a completely different machine, allowing you to bypass the ban. The spoofer I'll be using in this video is from Divine Cheats, which I will leave a link to their website in the description, but they have over 8,000 reviews from people who have used their products and left satisfied. As you can see, they have several different products for several different games, but what we're going to be focused on in this video is their permanent hardware ID spoofer. Once you click it, they have a one-time and a lifetime. The one time can be only used for one day, and the lifetime can be used forever. And if you decide to purchase, don't forget to use code MATRIX at checkout for a discount. Once you purchase the Divine hardware spoofer, go ahead and open up your serial checker that you will receive in your email and take a screenshot using the snipping tool of your serials. After that, just save it onto your desktop and name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it serials.png. As you can see, it's there on my desktop. And after that, just close this and open up your text file that has your license key. Copy it. And then go ahead and open up your loader as administrator. Wait for it to load up. And then paste in your license key and log in. Once you log in and see the spoofer menu, go ahead and open up the spoofer tab. And then all you're going to need to do is click permanent spoof. But if you have an ASUS, you will need to click EFI spoof or ASUS spoof. Just click permanent spoof and just wait a couple of minutes. I will get back with you once it's done. After the spoofing is completed, you will see this text on the bottom saying permanent spoof completed, and all you're going to want to do from here is close the loader and restart your computer to apply all the changes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once you restart your computer, go ahead and open up the serials you saved earlier, put them to the side, and open up the serial checker so you can see your current ones and compare them. Put them side by side and make sure everything has been changed. As you can see, everything has been changed, including my volume serial number, along with everything else, meaning the spoofing was successful. Anyways, once you confirm that everything has been changed, you no longer have to deal with any of these annoying hardware ID bans on any game again.